Are you looking to enhance your WordPress website's SEO and user experience? Transitioning your WordPress URL from https:// to https://www is essential. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring a seamless transition for all visitors. URLs play a crucial role in search engine optimization and user navigation. A well-structured URL makes it easier for search engines to index your site while improving accessibility for users. Before we begin, it's vital to prepare your site. Start by backing up your WordPress site to prevent any data loss. Verify your SSL certification, ensuring that your site is secure for visitors. Now, log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for making changes. Navigate to Settings and click on General. Here, you'll make the necessary adjustments to your URL structure. Locate the fields labeled WordPress Address, URL, and Site Address, URL. Change both from https://yourdomain.com to https://www.yourdomain.com. Consistency is key, so ensure both fields match. Once done, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button to confirm your updates. It's now a good idea to update your permalinks. Go to Settings, and then Permalinks, and click Save Changes again to reflect your new URL structure. If you're comfortable, you can also update your htaccess file to redirect non-www URLs to www. Simply add the provided code to your htaccess file. This is an optional step but helps maintain consistency and user experience. To see your changes immediately, clear your browser cache or check your site in an incognito window. This ensures you view the latest updates. During this process, you may encounter challenges. Common issues include broken links or 404 errors. If something doesn't work as expected, troubleshoot based on the specific issue. After making all changes, it's crucial to test your new URL. Visit your website to see if everything works smoothly. This ensures a flawless transition for your visitors. Be aware of the SEO implications of your URL structure. A proper transition helps maintain or improve your search engine rankings, contributing to overall visibility. Additionally, don't forget to optimize your meta descriptions. Create an SEO-friendly meta description that encapsulates the essence of your content and entices clicks. In summary, changing your WordPress URL from https:// to https://www is vital for boosting SEO and enhancing user experience. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth transition for your website. Ready to take control of your website's URL structure? Follow our guide, explore the world of WordPress, and elevate your online presence today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips and guides.